I can see it. Hi, I'm here to show you about this. The airsoft gun of the Glock 18. The clip falls perfectly out. This is safety, and I'm going to show you a couple of things about this. Safety. Wait, there. Oh, crap. That's safety. Right. Right. Right there. Okay. I'm going to show you this, too. Let me get it. That is supposed to come out, and this is supposed to happen. The whole barrel comes off, and this, if you want to put it right back on, do this. That's not the whole thing, but I've almost got the whole thing down. The action of this works. Watch. Now, if you want to see the sights, hopefully this shows it. This is what it would look like holding in the sights. There. Okay, that's what it's like holding it with the sights on. And boom. Now, that's pretty much it. Subscribe and like if you want to, or write a comment.